I made 10K while I'm driving my new GT3 RS. Nothing really changed, so everything is floating up. This year we started, this is the entry here, this is the entry here, so everything is like I showed you here. Here are the positions. Hey guys, my name is JackobFX. I'm showing people how to become unemployable because it was something I want to reach all my life. I used to be a waiter in a restaurant, but now I'm full-time trader. So if you want to watch my journey, just hit the subscribe button and watch the video. Today we are on Nürburgring. Why we are here? Because the markets was this week so quiet. Today is Friday, but now in the morning when I was waking up so early, like 6 a.m. check time, I went running and I saw some trades, so we can just quick check what I saw, what I took, how I took it and how I manage it. So I will show you how I made the 10K I was speaking about at the beginning of this video, so I can show you what was the position. It was on gold, so let's check it and let's see what we have. I am holding few positions long term, so we can check it. We can start with it basically, and it's a Bitcoin. I started to buying Bitcoin at 76,000, holding it like this. This is the risk ratio, which is quite cool. There is a 35 RR, here is 12 R, here is 8, 13. I'm probably not in this. We can check it on. I know so many people can show you this because you see a random position on TradingView, but nobody can show you something like this. So basically, nobody on the internet, doesn't mean on Czech or Slovakia or in the world, showing this. I don't know those people. I can show you what I made today, what I made this week. It's quite low, but this is what I said. It's first week of the month. It's not too many percent, but on it depends what account you have. If you have some funded or if you have live, you can see it's a real account where it's like some nice capital. We are not withdrawing from it. Now I'm depositing all my free money to this because it's not my only account, of course. And you can see today I made 10K. I show you the MT4. Yeah, it's this. I can show you also the floating, which is there. It's Bitcoin. It's every USD. It's nothing, but I'm still holding it just to be sure about the risk ratio. Here is also some partials floating on the Nasdaq, silver and gold. All of those positions are just partials. I took already a lot from it, so you can see the week, the 1 month. So let's check it on the my FX book where are the dates. This year we started and already up to 11%. When I close everything, it's 12%. You can see here the floatings that are the same as on the MT4. Yeah, and here are the monthly gains I made. Last month was really crazy for me. We made 5%, and I think that's so cool. But of course, it was something from the March, some floating I closed at the April. But yeah, still I think it's fine. It's like approximately 3-4% per month, so it's so good I think. And nobody can show like even one profitable month. Here we have 4 months, and now starting the 5 month with just 2 days profit, which is 0.18%, and it's still growing because I have the position running, so we can check the running positions as I told you, as I showed you on the TradingView. Here are the positions on the Bitcoin. I'm also looking for more buys. I was yesterday we was at the Nürburgring with gear collector, so I didn't take it. So this is one position I'm not in, but I don't want to say I don't care, but it is what it is. Always you can be at the charts when you combine it with the live, and I'm not the type of guy which wanna sit at computer like 24/7, so I'm combining it like this. I had also alerts, everything there, but I was sitting in the car at the track, so didn't take it. This is what it is. As I said, you don't need to be sad when you miss the opportunity because market is infinity of opportunities, so you can take another one the next day. This one was yesterday, today I took gold, so it is what it is. We just need to know what you want to take and what you want to ignore. That's all about it. So let's check the another stuff I have floating. It's Nasdaq. I'm entering Bitcoin, and Nasdaq for me is long-term stuff which I'm holding, which I wanna hold. I need to have like a precision entry with nice risk ratio, and then you can just left floating with the partials as I showed you. It's doing like 30-40k euros floating when you have like 0.1 or 1 lot size, so it's so crazy. You can do this on the fund companies also. So this is the Nasdaq, this is the entries on Nasdaq. I don't want to go like deep in the analysis of this, but the entries which I have on this one probably took me out yesterday. I am not sure why, but or didn't take me, maybe didn't put me in. So this is the Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm not in the last one. I'm not in the last one. Here was the entry on the last one, but from some reason, maybe spread or something, didn't take me. But these are the entries. This is the entry here. This is the entry here. So everything is like I showed you here. Here are the positions. For one lot, it's around 10k still floating. So it's so crazy. It's so low risk compared to this account. Is so crazy. I think for me, for you maybe not. If you're doing like millions, okay. But I'm saying what's my stuff. There are also more positions running. If you want to see those trades and wanna go like deeply to it, just put comment inside or below the video so we can check it like deeply. And now let's see what we do today's morning. First of all, I want to explain you the thing I want to see on the charts. So everything on the bigger picture must be like I want to see it. So that means I have a support, I have a resistance. I know the room where I can go like a long, because long term is for me up. But always you have something like a resistance or something that can ruin your trade. You need to like analyze it and prepare for the trade management, you know. So I knew this resistance will be a problem in the trade when I'm longing the stuff, buying the stuff. So I put the resistance up there where I wanted to take partials. I also did it. That's how I made the 10k. I took just the partials here. You know, 3264. It's here. I took the partials here. Yeah, because we were talking outside with the guys, so I took here, and the second one I took 65 something. So yeah, next. Almost on the resistance. It's always better to take your money earlier than later. And also I'm of course on the break even, so I can show you the stuff. This was the entry. The entry below was that one I already closed. Here is break even, and let's see what we have. So basically I know here is the 4 and daily support, which means it will react. Here is something I want to like that I know it will react here, maybe to downside. So it's like a problem in the way up. But the small picture switched to bigger picture. It started to make a momentum up, structures up, doing based on my strategy, doing the things I want to see. It did. I put the risk I wanted to put in. It was small risk because it was just a small thing, and the time frames wasn't like one ideal idea. So, but it was worth it. The risk ratio was 1 to 1.4 with low risk, and basically I was break even really fast. So there was nothing to risk anymore. And now we just see what we have. When we go on the 5 minutes after this move, I went break even. It made some double top. So this is the best feeling in the world when you have like a floating and break even, as I have all my trades. So now I don't give a shit if it goes up or not, because today is the NFP day. Today is Friday. Friday is not the best time for trading also for me. So I rather be in the break even on everything I have, take partials, and let's see if we have a continuation after NFP or not, because if yeah, the next week will be in a up direction, and I'm going to like enjoy the profits on it and stacking the position on it. So you will see also in the next videos, because for me the goal now is the way up. This is the trade I took today, which made me 10k. I think it's enough for me, for normal people also. So nothing more on the charts. I don't want to sit here and spend my time for nothing. Also the NFP is here, the news, the fundament is gonna be crazy. So let's do stuff I like, because we already made what we wanted to. Fucking dirty car. Hey bro, this is disgusting. I think we can wash up both of them, because market is anyway dead. So I will take GT3 RS and I will take M3, right? So follow me and do not crash it, please. Looks like it wasn't just our idea to wash the car. So we're lucky that we are patient from the trading, so let's wait for this because yeah, yesterday it was holidays, nobody could wash the car, so everyone coming today. And here is the one nice business idea for this land, for Nordschleife. Let's go and build wash boxes around here because I saw like maybe 2 or 3 and also 2,000 or 3,000 of cars they wanna be washed. So basically I think you can become a millionaire really easy if you are not into trading. So let's do it. And I'm going to buy some ice cream and let's wait for this because I'm not sure what those people washing the cars because they are already clean, not like ours. So maybe it will take like 2 or 3 hours. Luckily we have nothing to do today, so let's enjoy the sun. Let's get the coffee, ice cream, and let's patiently wait for our turn. Mám nějakou vodu? Let's buy some water. Oh, sorry. Let's buy some water. You want also? Yeah. This is a dream job. Ice cream for free, water for free. And let's do another trade. We exchange and free for free. And all of other my cars also, when it's necessary to drive it. And do you have a lighter? Yes. Yeah. And do you have some... Hello? And can you give me back in like few coins because we're going to washboard? Yeah. Thank you. Perfect, thank you so much. Chceš kafe?
No.
Thank you, bye.
Goodbye. See you.
Tak aspoň dáme ten doutňas. Už to jdem posunul.
No.
One car closer. Let's get back to real job. Sometimes you need to use your hands in real life. Luckily not in my job. There I need just a finger. So if I lose my arm, I'll still be able to survive in this world. Okay guys, so both cars are cleaned. Looks much better than before, of course. Yesterday I speak to Misha Charoudin. Here will be his Instagram. I was with him last year with my old GT3 RS 991. We have a deal, we are gonna hit the Nordschleife today together, so I'm going to text him when it suits him. Okay, now I see something's a little bit wrong. Let's fix it later, but weird stuff. 3,400 kilometers, 1 month old car. So Misha just replied me, we're gonna go there. And for those who don't know who is Misha, he's a guy, Misha Charoudin. This is his Instagram, you can start following him. He's a big guy, he's one of the most famous racers on the Nordschleife because he's driving here. Sorry for Germany radio. He's driving here like every day, many cars. He will, I'm sure he will tell us in the video, in the when we're gonna do the lap with him. So yeah, let's start the engine and let's go to his place. So we just hit the Misha's place. He's on the new place, not as the last year, because last year we've been with him with my old GT3 RS, as I told you before. And he just left for another lap with the upgraded, some really upgraded M4. So we're gonna wait for him. There is some little bit traffic, and because every time they open the track, it's 5 p.m. It's a big traffic, so we're gonna wait like 20 minutes or something, I think. So meantime, you can check the charts, how the trade went. Basically, it just hit me on the break even. Then it went in my direction, what I wanted. So this is what normally happens. It's a thing. I just took my partials. It was 10k, so I'm fine with it. The rest was for 100, so it's not even for a commission. So no worries. But I was like prepared for this because it was NFP. Here are the results that we are sharing on our Discord channel. You can see the previews was 185k. The forecast was like less, and the actual was much better than the forecast. That's the reason about the reaction. That the first time it was like making pullback, then it's continuation in the way up. So this is what happened, and I took my piece of cake and I'm fine with it. So I'm done with the trade for a weekend. It's Friday. It's 5 p.m. Friday, but still have the floating on the rest of the pairs of the currencies. So everything is like huge in break even. So through the weekend I have like no chance to hit me if there wasn't a gap like I don't know, like 1 kilometer. So I'm fine with it, and I can chill now for the weekend, enjoy the laps, enjoy the Nordschleife, because today now we're going for Misha, and tomorrow and the day after we'll still be here and riding. So I'm going to enjoy this time. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you again.
Good seeing you
After
again.
1 year. Yeah. So can you make us a quick introduction of yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi, my name is Misha. I live here for the last 10 years at the Nürburgring.
As you can see, we end up here. I thought it will be the last thing in this video, the Misha Karussell ride, but we came here because it's total crazy here. As you can see, so many people here. So we ended up as always here because it's so amazing. We talk with so many people, and the vibe is here absolutely crazy. As you can see, this is the main building and Nürburgring, and yeah, that's it. Market's closed, nothing really changed, so everything is floating as I showed before. So guys, if you are interested what I'm gonna trade next week, you can start following me on my Instagram, JackobFX World, or here on YouTube, or both of them. Of course, is the best decision. So hit the subscribe button, like the video, and see you at the next video. Ciao.